Hey everyone, welcome to InterviewPro. Let's talk about two more pipes in Angular, the number pipe, which is also called as decimal pipe, and the percent pipe. I want to display a number on the screen, any random number, let's say 5096. So this appears on the screen. Now let me apply a pipe. So before we apply a pipe, we need to use the property binding here. So now I am adding the number pipe. If we go to the UI, we see a separator added here. Generally, the numbers will be separated by comma based on their places, right? So applying number would add a separator here. Let me take even more bigger number. Let's say 50961234. Save it and go back to UI. So now we see the comma separator added to this number. When we apply number pipe, we'll remove this. So if you want to deal with decimals, then you have an option to provide how many digits that you want to display before the decimal and after the decimal point. Similar to how we have seen in the currency pipe, we have the same specification here. So if I want to display information on how many digits that I want to see, then I can simply add a colon, then specify the minimum number of digits that you want to see before the decimal point. Let's say the minimum digits I want to see is 2 and the decimal point followed by the range, the minimum number of digits that you want to see after the decimal point hyphen maximum number of digits. So I want to see a minimum of 2 digits and the number can extend up to 5. I have a normal number here. This is not a decimal. Let's see how it applies this condition to the normal number. So I'm saving, going back to UI. Since there are no digits, it simply added zeros at the end. Because I specified 2 as my minimum, there are 2 digits, 2 zeros added. If I change it to 1, there would be only 1 digit. Let me revert this to 2. And let's say I have the number 1, 2, 3. Now we see 1, 2 and 3. What is our maximum range? 5. If I exceed 5 digits, let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5 and save it. I have 6 digits after the decimal point, but my maximum range is 5. So let's see what happens. So the last digit is rounded off. So my number was 123235, but the number here is 12324. There is one extra digit because my maximum range is 5, but I have 6. If the last digit is 5 or greater than 5, the number before it will be rounded off. Since this is 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 2, and 3 is rounded off to 4. So we see 4 here. If I have 8, even then it would be rounded off. Let's say I have 1, then it will not be rounded off because the number or the digit here is less than 5. So this is about the number pipe. Now let me show you how percent pipe works. Let me take another paragraph here. And let's say I have a number 0.75. Let's see how it is displayed on the UI. It is displayed as 0.75. But what happens when I apply a percent pipe? So percent, if you go to the UI, this is converted to percentage. 0.75 is now 75%. If I make it 1, then it would be 100%. So the percent pipe is simple. It just multiplies the number by 100 and adds a percentage symbol here. So this is all about number and percentage pipe. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to InterviewPro. Thank you.